right, let's talk about quadratic equations. We are going to spend a tremendous amount of time in this course talking about quadratic functions, parabolas, these things called zeros and x-intercepts. But for right now, we're just going to talk about solving quadratic equations. I want you to have an idea of what a quadratic equation looks like. So we can see here, when simplified, it's in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. All right, a cannot be 0. A has to be there. It can be a 1, and it can be a negative 1, but it cannot be 0, meaning we have a term of x squared. All right, so it's more than a linear equation, but 2 is the highest degree for any x. All right, why do we care about solving these things? Again, like I mentioned, we're going to spend a lot of time on them. All right, and we're going to end up realizing that these solutions that we get now are actually x-intercepts. So it's where the parabola crosses the x-axis. All right, it often, these solutions get referred to as values of x that make the equation true. But more importantly, we'll use quadratic functions in solving word problems. Something like a situation here may rear its ugly head on an amazing race. But given a diver whose dive is a parabola, right, maybe I don't dive a parabola, but I know that there are some people who do, then solving this quadratic at squared plus bt plus c equals 0 gives the time t the diver hits the water. So that's what it means if we were to take this parabola, set it equal to 0. All right, let's see if I can... So you guys are probably like, what is she showing? But okay, here, obviously this is not me. I don't dive quite like this, but we can see that it's a parabola. And at that moment right there is when that parabola equals 0. All right?